Study of gas laws. Today we'll discuss Charles' law. In 1787, Jacques Charles experimentally studied the relationship between the volume of a fixed mass of an enclosed dry gas and the temperature, when the pressure of the gas was kept constant throughout the experiment. He found that the volume of the fixed mass of an enclosed dry gas increases by 1/273rd part of its initial volume at 0 degree Celsius for every 1 degree Celsius rise in temperature, and vice versa, provided the pressure remains same throughout the experiment. For example, if the initial volume in enclosed dry gas is 273 cc at 0 degree Celsius, then its volume for 1 degree Celsius rise in temperature will be volume at 1 degree Celsius equal to 273 plus 1/273 multiplied by 273 equal to 274 cc. Conversely, volume at -1 degree Celsius (273 minus 1/273 multiplied by 273, that is equal to 272 cc. Now concept of absolute zero temperature, that is Kelvin zero temperature. Lord Kelvin, by applying Charles' law, experimental deductions, theoretically tried to calculate the volume of fixed mass of an enclosed gas at constant pressure. According to him, if initial volume of dry enclosed gas is 273 cc at 0 degree Celsius, then volume of gas at -1 degree Celsius equal to 273 minus 1/273 multiplied by 273, that is equal to 272 cc. Volume of gas at -100 degree Celsius (273 minus 1/273 multiplied by 273 multiplied by -100 equal to 173 cc. Volume of gas at -273 degree Celsius 273 minus 1/273 multiplied by 273 minus 273, that is equal to 0 cc. Thus, according to Lord Kelvin, if the temperature of an enclosed gas at 0 degrees Celsius is lowered to minus 273 degrees Celsius, its volume becomes 0. However, it is not possible. Then Kelvin suggested that in all probability minus 273 degrees Celsius is the last limit of temperature which cannot be reached. Hence, an enclosed gas will never have zero volume. The last limit of temperature was named absolute zero or Kelvin zero. Absolute scale of temperature. The new temperature scale with its 0 at minus 273 degrees Celsius, such that each degree on it is equal to 1 degree on the Celsius scale, is called absolute scale or Kelvin scale. All temperature on Kelvin scale are positive. Temperature on Kelvin scale is equal to 273 plus temperature on degree Celsius. It is K is equal to 273 plus degree Celsius. Temperature on Kelvin scale is not expressed in degrees. For example, 273 Kelvin is the correct temperature, not 273 degree Kelvin.